How to create a Google Meet video call on your laptop or computer. So if you want to go and create a group or a work call, I'll show you how to do this. Now first, just go and open up an internet browser like this, head over to the Google website and make sure you're signed into a Google account. You can then click on Google Apps in the top right hand side and select Google Meet. Now you'll have two options. You can either join an existing meeting by entering a meeting code, and then you can press join to join an existing meeting. If you want to set up your own video call, just click this new button, and you can either create a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting for right now, or you can also schedule a call later on using your Google Calendar. Now I'm just going to press start an instant meeting. Now, once you're in the video call, you can now start inviting your work colleagues or your friends to join this call with you. Now, to do that, you can just click on your profile icon and press add people. You can then just search for the person you want to invite using their email address, and you can invite someone directly from here. Now, another thing you can do is click on the information button in the top left-hand side. And you'll also see a URL that you can go and send to people as well. So if you press copy joining info, you can go and send this link to people and they can directly join your video call. Now to make sure people can see your webcam and to hear your microphone, you can just click on these three vertical dots and press settings. You can then select audio and make sure your microphone's selected from here. You may need to grant permissions to the microphone first. You can also do the same for video to allow access to your webcam or camera. So that's how to create a Google meeting on your laptop or computer.